I started using video tutorials back in 2001 in a student teaching job in a middle school when I discovered I am terrible at direct instruction. I've mentioned before I have Asperger's. I didn't even know about this until, 3.5 years ago. But I have no patience for students that can't follow simple instructions. If up on the screen I've got Illustrator open, okay, everybody click here. Grab this tool, change this color, draw this item, and people can't follow. Okay, that's on me. So my solution for that lack of patience and understanding is to spend countless hours recording video tutorials for you guys to help you learn at your own pace. Now, I'm going to insist on certain things, like naming conventions, ways to name your files intelligently, especially when I'm collecting those files. Image size, resolution, things you're going to learn that are absolutely critical to your success in here. Because I can't count the number of times someone has created something in Photoshop and was so proud of it and says, may I make a print of this? And I say Option Command I and bring up the image size dialog box in order to show them sometimes, most times, that what they've created is a postcard or a postage stamp, not a poster, because Photoshop is resolution dependent. Now, I'm going to try to teach you a lot of these essential skills, but there comes a point where, face it, we're connected to the sum knowledge of the human race. I can only teach so much in here, and I'll help you be good. I mean, look at the walls. That all happened in this classroom. That's student work. So I will help you, but as the next quest is going to talk about, my tutorials aren't the only tutorials I expect you to use. There are a nearly infinite number of third-party tutorials out there. However, finding the good ones, that's another story altogether. We'll come back and talk about that in the next quest. But hey, people have thought that these are people. I didn't ask people, right? Hey, look, your tutorials have helped me. I made these for the classroom, and these things just came in and in and in, and it was, amazing. But I want to get back to that, to the roots of the Mac Lab, where there's a lot of video tutorials to help you learn. But I'm not the only fish in the sea.